Alright, I've been searching a very long time for an app that can show me the live view of my Nikon D3200, and I found one. That's the DslrDashboard, which you can see over here. But the problem is you can't record videos with it. I saw a lot of reviews. This costs money, by the way, this app. I saw a lot of reviews that say that this works, you can do this, you can do that. But if you want to use it for filming, it's not very useful because it doesn't work. You can see the live view, but you can't record any videos. So it doesn't work when you're recording video, if you know what I mean. You can just use it to get the right frame for your video, but that's it. You can't hit record, you have to disconnect and then you can hit record, which is very annoying. So what do you need to make this happen? You need the cable which you use for your camera to plug them into your computer, and you need an OTG cable. So you plug in the USB of the camera cable in the OTG, and you plug this end in the tablet end, of course. And I'm going to show you how you do it. It's very easy actually. As you can see, not really useful for when you're filming with your DSLR, because you can't record videos when you're live viewing your screen. You can only view your screen, then you have to disconnect and then you can record videos. And that's not what I intended to use this for. I intended to use this for as a live monitor, so I can put it next to my camera and I could view myself when it was recording. I don't know if it works on other cameras. This is a Nikon D3200. This is a standard camera. Doesn't work. Does not work. It works for video, for photos. You can take pictures, that works, no problem. For video, no. And it's very annoying because I really hope that it worked, but it doesn't. So the only solution for that is connecting an HDMI monitor. So for example, a television or a car monitor, car field monitor, what's it called? Back monitor, yeah. And that's a very small monitor, and you connect it via a mini HDMI to your DSLR, and then you connect the HDMI input in the monitor, and then you'll have live view and you can record as well when it's via HDMI, but not when it's via micro USB or OTG, because I think the camera recognizes it as a computer or something, so it can't record. So very, very, very annoying. Alright, I hope I spared you a couple of bucks for not buying this app when you're looking for something to have an external screen, because it doesn't work when filming. It does work with pictures, so if that is your intention, then go for it. But for videos, nope, don't buy it, doesn't work. Alright, by the way, I want to thank also everyone from Reddit who helped me, because I asked the question if it worked on Reddit. I had a lot of comments. Not everyone knew what the answer was to my question, so I checked it out myself, but I still want to thank everyone for reacting to my comments as well. Alright, if you learned something and if I spared you some money, hit that subscribe button for more content, and see ya!